Hey there, Dave Whitbeck, and in today's video I'd like to take you through a product overview and just kind of give you a brief rundown on all of the products in our lineup. Okay, so we'll start with the stone. We have two series, one is ridge cut and one is cliff ledge. Now the ridge cut are a little bit bigger stones. They're 2, 4, and 6 inches in height. And the cliff ledge is 1.5 inches and 3 inches tall in height. All of our panels are 12 inches tall by 24 inches wide with 1.5 inches offset, so they're 25.5 inches to the outside dimension. Our corners are the same geometry as the flats. It's still that 12 by 25.5 inch panel. The only difference is the outside edges of those panels on our corners are a finished textured edge where the grout line goes all the way through the stone. So when you mate them up together, that's what gives it that nice, full, substantial corner look. Our stone comes in 5 panels per box. And we can get 16 boxes per pallet. Each box, like I said, has 5 panels in it. Each panel is 2 square feet, so that makes a 10 square foot box. Okay, currently we have 5 colors in our mix. We have Aspen, Cambridge, Copper Creek, Yukon, and Glacier. I'll briefly run through those colors for you now. Aspen is a lot of gray tones in it. It's a lighter gray, and we've got some darker charcoal accents with just a little bit of rust in each panel. And what that rust does actually is it just warms up the panel just a little bit. There's that little bit of earth tone. You'd be surprised how much that little touch just warms up a wall. Next, the Cambridge is kind of our brown gray color, a little bit more calico colored. And so we have a lot of chocolates and a lot of charcoal in here. And again, with that little touch of rust that just kind of warms up the color. Copper Creek is like Cambridge, but it's just a lot more intense in the chocolate side. So that brown, nice rich brown hues, and the rust, instead of just a touch of rust, we have a whole stone that's dedicated to that rust color. And so it's just a little bit more earth tones, a little bolder colors, and a little richer. Next we have the Glacier. The Glacier is our white color, and there is no accent colors in this. It is just a monochromatic white colored stone. And lastly, in our current color lineup, we have Yukon. Yukon is a darker charcoal color. It's much like the Aspen. They're kind of like cousins to each other. The Aspen is just a lighter gray, and the Yukon is a darker gray. And so the Yukon also has dark charcoal accents with just a little bit of rust, but the base color is darker. Okay, now I'd like to talk to you about some accessories. And first up in the accessories is the Wainscot Cap. That's the one that we sell the most of, and it's used on most jobs, whether you're doing a wainscoting or sills under a window. So our Wainscot Cap comes with the nailing flange on it, so you can mechanically fasten that wainscot cap to the wall rather than using glue or mortar. So we sell it with the nailing strip on top, and this is the traditional installation. So you would lay up your stone panels first, and then once you have your stone panels laid up, you add the wainscot cap on top, and that just finishes it off. And then above that, you would install your siding or whatever you're putting on top. Now the wainscot cap with the nailing strip on the bottom is for any instances that you have where there's no room for that nailing strip on top. So examples are like under a window, or if you've got siding already on the project and you're putting the stone underneath after the siding is already there and you don't have room to install that nailing strip. So wainscot caps come 8 caps per box and 28 boxes per pallet. Okay, moving on, we have a few other accessory pieces. We have some more J blocks. We have a single receptacle block. We have a double receptacle block, and we have a light block. These come in our 4 accessory colors. The 4 accessory colors we have are gray, ivory, charcoal, and sandstone. Next up, we have a starter strip, and this starter strip is an 8-foot PVC piece that is designed to hold the bottom of the first course of stone to the wall. It's a non-load bearing strip, so its only function is just to keep that bottom of that first course tight to the wall. Next, we have a metal edge trim piece. These come 98 inches long, and these are designed as a transition piece from stone to siding, or really any place that you want to hide that air gap and hide the exposed cut edge of the stone siding. Okay, next up I will go through the components of the column kit. We have stone panels, and all of the stone panels in the column kit are 12 inches tall by 18.5 inches on the outside dimension. So all of our column kits make 18.5 inch square columns. Our cap is a 22-inch cap, and so regardless of the post size, the finished product is always 18.5 inch column with a 22-inch cap. Okay, and it comes with the framing, which comes in 2 components. And right now we have framing for 4x4 posts, 5x6 posts, 6x6 posts, and 8x8 posts. The 4x4 and 6x6 are in stock. The 5x6 and 8x8 are available by special order. We have the starter strip that comes with the column kit. The starter strip is the same as the starter strip for our stone, but instead of an 8-foot stick, it's a 12-inch section. And you get 4 of those per kit to wrap around all 4 sides of the column. The column kit does come with 7-inch lag screws to fasten the framing to the post. So one of the most exciting parts of the column kit is, of course, the pre-cut cap. These pre-cut caps are awesome. The column kits are available in both the Ridge Cut and the Cliff Ledge series, and they are available in all 5 colors, and the caps are available in the 4 accessory colors that we have. So the way that you order this is you have to let us know the post size you're working with, whether it's a 4x4 or 6x6 or whatever it is. Then you have to tell us the stone that you want on it, the series and color of stone, and then let us know what color cap you need for this column. And that's how we'll put the kit together for you. So I hope you found this brief overview of our product line useful. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Find us at www.affinitystone.com, and we'll be happy to connect with you there. Bye for now.